me show you what's inside here. This one's really sticky. There's some of the honey right in here. Oh, it's really nice. I think it tastes like mango. They've been visiting the mango tree down the road. I'm not gonna take any honey now. There's just not enough panels here. This third panel is gonna be for them. I'm gonna close this up, let them keep working. The bees are accumulating and I sealed it up here so that no critters get it. And they're all rushing back. A little bit of a traffic jam.